Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Go2 bank accounts. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go2 Bank is an unlimited mobile bank account. It is easy to use and designed to simplify banking, helping people save time and money and improve their financial well-being. In order to log into Go2 a bank account, go and click open a web browser. First, in the search box type in www.go.bank.com and press the Antony keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up with the official website. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Open an Account at the upper right corner and start by entering the email address. In order to register once you have an account, click on Login button at the upper right corner right next. To open an account and enter your email address that is associated with the accounts. Make sure to type in the valid email address and now move on to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password. If you're having trouble remembering your password or your email address, you can click on Trouble Logging and link right below the login box. You can double check your password by clicking on this icon in the right corner, Reveal your password. And once you're sure you typed the correct one, you can move on ahead. If you'd like the system to remember you so that you won't have to log in again and again, that click on Remember Me box right here. But if you're using a public or a shared device, do not check the box. Now finally, to go on the Login button or to log in to Go2 bank accounts. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it did in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till